Welcome back to Vue.js tutorial. Last video we discussed about one-way data binding. In this video we are going to discuss about the two-way data binding. So one-way data binding was the one directional, means inside the model whatever we declare we can see from the view, means this is the model, the script section, and inside the template section these are the view sections, means whatever we write will get into the output. This is the browser. Okay, so two-way data binding is the both way, means from the model we can send data to view, and similarly from the view we can get data to the model. So how we can do this? So here for two-way data binding we need to get some input from the view, means suppose we just going to create a input type field input, and suppose here write input type text, and to declare any two-way data binding we need to add the v model. Okay, so v model is the tag, or you can say the attribute. Using that we can dynamically, means we can use the two-way data binding, means from that v model whatever we'll name will get the data from here, means we just removing that things and we are using the v model. So here the message is something, so that the reason we are getting the v model equal to message, so we are getting the output as something. Inside the keyword we can write. Okay, so let's change. We are displaying something change, and here we can see the change is happening, means this is the default. We are going to declare the variable and we are going to assign some variable. So we cannot understand how the two-way data binding happen. Now if I just going to display that things, means here we are going to display the message also. So we will type here, we will get the message. This is the model property. We are displaying the change. Also we are getting the change here because we are using the same. Now the thing is, when you're going to type something, suppose 1 2 3 4, we can see the input field we are writing, and as we are using the v model, means two-way data binding, that's the reason the message property also changes, and these changes are affecting into here. Right, means we are changing from here. This message, this variable is affecting here, means overwriting the data, and now this change became the data from the message, and also we are getting output from here. Means here if you write start Vue.js, so we can see instantly we are getting output from here, means this is the message we are printing, the value is changing, that's the reason we are getting, right? So this is actually the two-way data binding. Let's do something. Actually here the thing is, this is the default, means if you by default don't assign anything, so it's not showing anything. Now if you start typing, so type something, so we are getting, right? Now the next thing is, if I want to do the same for username or age, by default we are providing the name John, age 3. So for forms we can do the same things. Suppose here we just write the same things, means input, and here write v model, or you can write the type text. Okay, and v model username, and same v user age. This is the v model user dot name, v model user dot age. So here by default the name is John, age is 30. So here we are getting the data from here. Now I just going to print the same things, means already we printed that things, we just want to cut and paste it here, right? Now if you just see, we can see the name John H3 by default, just changing, and I'm just getting the blank, so simply write the age is blank, so the name and age are blank. Now just write here, our name is learning point, and the age is suppose something 4. So name is learning points and age is 4, and here you can write John 25. So we are getting, so actually the two-way data binding is happening, means with the typing of that things, means when we entering any things from the view, we are getting effect in the model. By default model is blank, that the reason we are not getting anything. So if you just write here, write something or some name, by default I just writing the name is John and age is 30. So by default it's write the name is John, age 30, and I'm changing John to any others, means we just write Clark, or here write Ronnie, and age is 26. We are getting the output, means dynamically we are changing, or we are getting the output instantly. Okay, so these are the most useful things for reactive JavaScript applications. Actually, these will use in every places, and let's see some use cases where we can use this two-way data binding. Okay, so what to use two-way data binding? So firstly, we just displayed the forms. We can use the input section, text area sections, select sections, no problem on that. Then if you want some data into the tables, and if you want to inline edit the tables data or list, you can use that things, means whatever, means where you will want to get any dynamic data, means you will enter some things, you can use that things, means for live search inputs, means when you search something or type something, and it will getting into the model, so that from the model whatever we want to respond, we can respond. And then the toggle switches, checkbox, and any UI element that needs to sync with the data. So all the places we can use the two-way binding. So hope you are clear now what is one-way data binding and one is two-way data binding. So these are the two important things which always you need to write, always you need to use in your applications. So hope it is clear to you, and still if you have any queries, please comment in the below comment section. Next day we are going to discuss about some advanced things, means with the binding we'll discuss event binding. That's the important things, right? So please keep in touch, and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.